Christmas is one of the biggest holidays in the Philippines. The Christmas season, at least in our country, starts early in what we call the BER months, or the months ending in BER: September, October, November, and finally December, when Christmas is celebrated on December 25. September in the Philippines is when you start hearing the sounds of Christmas. Radio stations start playing Christmas songs, and people, including children, go around the communities singing Christmas carols. Traditionally, it's the owner of the houses being caroled that gives gifts to the carolers. But there are rare instances, like this instance in Sagay, Negros Occidental, when the carolers are the ones giving away the gifts, like financial aid.
Merry Christmas!
I am Nason Merida.
I'm Auntie Merida. I'm Joshua Victor. I'm Arabella Villaflor. I'm Nova Lozano. I'm Jaira Villaflor. I'm Charlotte Lozano. And we are the Piquil's Carolers. Ang puso naman sila nga caroling, mga rolling kami sa mga tigulang sa isla. So, tapos instead nga sila ang mahatag, kami ang mahatag sa mga prutas para ma-emphasize ang sharing, values of sharing. Kay ano man di ko no, Christ is the center of this season.
Caroling in the Philippines was practiced as early as several centuries ago, or after the Spanish conquistadors introduced Christianity to the Philippines in the 16th century. According to Wikipedia, it started off as a choir performing villancicos, or Christmas carols, in Spain. After 333 years as Spanish colony, the Philippines gradually adopted it as a custom. Villancicos were initially performed during masses and eventually made their way to the streets. Some naughty carolers would add less than religious phrases and green jokes to the lyrics, much to the disapproval of the clergy.